What's up everybody, Sean Fruin here. So this video is on comparing a BIM box to my old Lenovo. So perfect storm kind of happened where I finished up a really intense script recently, and I also am in transition period, so I had to work on my old Lenovo a little bit. Out of frustration, I decided to really clock in the difference between the BIM box and the Lenovo. So here's the specifications for the two different computers. This Dynamo script is placing all the diffusers throughout the project and is rather intense, even for the BIM box. But as you can see already, that the time for Lenovo, we've already passed a half an hour per run, which is pretty ridiculous. Whereas the BIM box is just at 4.5. So there we are. So only 6 minutes to run the BIM box and over 45 minutes to run on the Lenovo. So let's look at this in terms of return on investment in buying a nice computer. So let's say you have just your everyday user and he has to, or she has to open up Revit 5-6 times per day. Going through all the math, that ends up adding up to almost $1,500 just on opening Revit models, and this model wasn't even that big. Now let's take a little different perspective if you're in a role of like design technologist where you're doing a lot of coding or script making, or more importantly script testing. So just building a script this size and having to run it 20 times a day per day is a savings of about $600. That's quite a bit less than the development of scripts. So as we run this up, you can see there's a lot, significantly amount of money to be saved by investing in a nice high-end computer. So if you're gonna start to move towards a digital transformation for your firm, I highly recommend you investing in the hardware to help in that effort.